Hello there YouTube, Matthew Marks here again, shooting another video about a rifle. Today I got a Savage Model 7H, 7.8 or semi-automatic clip-fed rifle. Let's have a look at the rifle real quick. As we can see, this one's an old timer because it says shoots 22 long rifle and high speed shorts. Here's the model designation. As you can see, it's a Savage Model 7H. So next thing we're going to do is open up a box of cheap ammo. We're going to load the clip and do some shooting. Okay, the next order of business is loading the gun. As you can see, it loads here from the bottom and the clip goes in. Okay, the gun's now loaded and ready to cock it and fire. So let's do it. Gonna zoom in here. Well, YouTube, that's about it for shooting it, because as we can see, it's training day for the kids down here that are probably 12 years old and older. They're all here for Hunter Safety Course. So this is Matthew signing off.